I came to Palestine a month ago, so I'm coming to the end of my time here, unfortunately. It's been a very, very good experience, and I highly recommend it. I had the opportunity to work with the staff at the Excellence Center. My interests were around healthcare, both acute care, public health, community health, and then what we call the social determinants of health, all the social factors that influence health.
I work in a hospital just outside of London, and I've come to the Excellence Centre to learn a bit more about healthcare in Palestine, and hopefully to share some of the things that I have learned in the UK with medical students, nursing students, midwifery students and lab tech students from Palestine, from Hebron.
My program in the healthcare, medicine and care program, we went to visit some hospitals here in Hebron. And we also visited some refugee camps, and we had some presentation about healthcare system.
So I've been here for 5 weeks so far, and I've got 2 more weeks. With the programme, we've been to hospitals. I've met lots of different healthcare professionals such as doctors and nurses. We've been to the Al Fawar camp. I've been to some human rights clinics, women's rights clinics, healthcare clinics.
I was lucky enough to run several workshops looking at a variety of aspects of medicine. So the first session focused on communication skills, what communication skills are, why they're important. We also looked at medical ethics, the main principles of medical ethics, beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, justice, things like this. Then we looked at clinical reasoning, how you make a diagnosis. And then the final sessions have really been about research, academic writing and improving English so that you can get published.
I had the opportunity to go to a variety of hospitals, to go to a variety of rehabilitation centers. My expertise right now is diabetes education at the community level, and so I was able to also work with a group of pharmacists at the Excellence Center who were perfecting their English, and so we were able to discuss diabetes education, which was very gratifying.
And then this week I've been doing the medical healthcare program, and so far I visited a hospital, had a few seminars about the healthcare situation in Hebron and Palestine, and it's been really, really interesting to see. And I will be visiting a hospital nearby the centre, which I'm really, really looking forward to as well.
My experience in Palestine was quite amazing. I met very kind people, and I met all the people here are very helpful, and the time spent here was such interesting.
So we've been to a public hospital and a government hospital. There we met doctors and other staff who explained to us the differences. We got to meet some patients who told us of their experiences, and we had a tour of the hospital so we could see how it's different here to how it is back at home. They told us how they were founded, how they've sometimes been helped by outside donations, and for me it was interesting to see the difference with the NHS, where it's free in England, to having to pay for hospital and healthcare here, and how the patients go about getting that healthcare.
I chose to be part of a healthcare internship in Palestine with the Excellence Center because, number one, it's my passion and my expertise. Number two, I'm always interested in learning about healthcare and sharing where I am able. There are a number of opportunities in this country, and so healthcare was the one that was of greatest interest to me.
My experience in Hebron was interesting in all the aspects. I had the chance to get in touch with the healthcare system in Palestine and to understand better this place.
The Palestinian people are truly amazing. I have spent time in Ramallah, in Bethlehem, in Hebron, in the South Hebron Hills, and I have been warmly, warmly welcomed and encouraged to be here, to learn from them, to share with them. I can't stress enough the value of coming here and learning for yourself about a conflict. No, not a conflict, an occupation that is now 70 years strong. It is time to learn about it directly.